Okay, so in last class, we discussed about print and input methods. Now we try to work on programs about a print function and input function. So let me save the new program. Let me create a new program about the print. Save it. And let me save the one print.py. Every Python file which is going to be saved with the .py format, we already know about it. Okay. So now print of this is parenthesis, open parenthesis, and just try to write something. Python is simple. I'm trying to writing something. Python is simple. And one more thing, name is equal to something like a Radhasri, and print of name. When I say print of name, Radhasri will print. When I say print of name is, or my name is, then you can give some dots, then comma name. So when I say the name, automatically, for example, first name variable I taken, inside the name is a container, right? Name is a container. So how the container will be? This is the container. So this container name is name. And inside this container, what is the value which is going to be pouring? The value which is going to be pouring is Radhasri. Radhasri is going to be sitting inside the name. When I want to access the value like Radhasri, when I want to access this value called Radhasri, I need to call the name. When I say the name, so now finally my name is comma name. It means what is output finally? My name is name. Name is what? Name is already Radhasri. So now my name is Radhasri. This will output. This will come in output. So let's see the output of the program. Let's clear the drawings now and execute the program. Execute the program. How to execute the program? Just click on the play button. When you click on the play button, can you see? Python is simple and Radhasri and my name is Radhasri. Everything is there. So this is the way of writing print function. This is the way of writing print function. So one simple thing, print of, you can use double quotes also. So previously I'm giving single quotes now. So this time I'm giving double quotes. Python is used for data science. Data. This is also one more way of writing print. And you can use a triple single quote also to write a print. And you can use a triple double quote also for the print. You can write a triple double quotes also. Okay, Python used for develop AI applications. And one more thing, one more line. Python is used for develop web applications. Okay, so something like this. You can write a number of ways print function. So how many ways you want, you can go for. And what is the best you can follow? For example, more people write like single quote, some people will write double quote, some people will write triple single quote, triple single quote, triple double quote, which are not available in other programming languages. But triple single quote for string, triple double quote for string, which is exclusively available only in the Python. Python is used for data science. Python is used for develop AI application. Python is used for develop web applications also finally. So now let's go and execute the program. So I already executed the same thing. I got output over there. So this is a simple Python program I got here. Okay, so this is about the print function. Now let me go about input function. So let me go with the input. Taking new, save it as input.py. Now let's go. Input of enter your name. Enter your name. So finally, whatever the name you entered, I want to store into the name variable. Print of my name is name. Name is the variable, right? But now the variable value, which was actually coming from the input box. Input box user entered value. User enter value or user capture the value. User giving the value. That value captured by the Python program using with the input method and storing into the name variable. Finally, I'm using the name variable dynamically. Okay, let me execute it. Okay, it will ask me enter your name. Okay, so enter your name. It is asking me enter your name. So I am entering the name like Srinivas. When I enter names called Srinivas, so my name is Srinivas. Okay, so let me try to give the age value also after this name. Age or qualification is equal to input of enter your, okay, keep a single quotes or double quotes, enter your qualification. Okay, so now qualification print of my qualification is done. Just keep the qualification also. Qualification. Then after salary, I just want to provide the salary print of enter your salary. Just try to give the enter your salary. Okay, finally print of. Okay, so just go. My salary is comma salary. Just take the salary. Finally, I have 3 inputs and I have 3 prints. Just execute it. Syntax error. Somewhere we got a syntax error. Print. Oh, sorry. This was input. Huh? This was input. Okay. Now refresh, clean the program, and just to save the program. Input. Enter your salary. Print salary. Yeah. Finally, everything is fine. Just go and save it and launch again. Still, okay, enter your name. So name is something like Srinivas. Okay. And enter your qualification MCA. Okay, MCA. And enter your salary something like 25,000, suppose, for example. Salary is something. Name is there, qualification is there, and salary is there. Finally, everything is going to be capturing by the input method. So input method is dynamically capturing the value and which was actually storing into the variable. And finally, we are actually printing the variables. So by these inputs, by these prints, there are a lot of simple programs we can do, like calculators, different kind of calculators we can do in the coming class. Okay, like enter first number, enter second number, and get the summation, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo division, something like opponent. Okay, something like power value. And we can go with the price calculator, we can go with the temperature calculator, we can go with the product the price calculator, we can go with the chicken calculator, we can go with the non-veg calculator, we can go with the pencil calculator, we can go with the pen calculator, we can go with the books calculator. See, different kind of calculators we can able to create using with the input methods and print methods by tomorrow.